Hello everyone and welcome to the Como Layout channel. Now I bring you these 5 tips on how to decorate easy, fast and especially without spending almost anything to their homes this Christmas. Either because that is where they are going to celebrate or simply because they want the environment to look even more festive. So let's see what these are. You are the ones who are going to offer your home to celebrate Christmas and you want your dining room to look more adorned but do not want to spend much in doing so? Well, this is ideal for that. Just take some fabric strips that in this case are the leftovers of the cushions we made, and in my case my chairs have these holes. Now just tie it in them and make them a bun in each of the chairs. This, apart from being very simple and takes advantage of the material that was left over, will make your dining room look much more festive and according to these dates. If yours did not have these holes, can tie it around all the backup or paste them with adhesive tape. Or it depends on the material of your dining room, even with a little silicone so that it does not fall. But since we finished putting them on all, I will appreciate the difference and in truth that it looks very well. If it gives another touch to this and without spending anything, they can put, as in my case, the snowman we made in the middle or some centerpiece so that it looks even better. Do these clean pipes have and still need to fill parts of the Christmas tree, or do they want to decorate some other part of their home? Well, very easy. Just buy this type of plastic accounts that are used to make bracelets and see each wire accounts. In my case I interact with size and color, putting the largest on the shore, and I make a fold so that it does not fall. Now they only make up the ones you like and the colors you want or remain with the decoration of your house or weapon. And since they all put them, just make sure you have made the knot or double in the end so that they do not fall. Now stretch your hand as you can see on the screen and roll it along the finger. Do it strongly to stay with that form. And as you can see, since we do it with everything, it will be seen as follows. Now let's see how they look at the weapon. As you can see, they look great, and so they can fill those holes that remain in with something as cheap as the light of pipes and plastic accounts. Apart from that, they can do this with the little ones and keep them entertaining for a long time. Do they have plenty of past projects and do not know what to do with them, or just want to make one more ornament for their homes with these? Well, believe me that it is very simple and fast to make this very spot of snow. If they have many, do the size there, but if they have a few, as I stop at half as seen on the screen, now just form a cross and go hitting it with a little silicone. Later take more of the sticks and form a picture or diamond depending on how they are already done. This only takes some sticks in each of the corners as seen on the screen, and since they have finished it, now form with 2 sticks AB, and this do it 4 times. Then just stick them on the banks that we just put, and as can be seen, you can see more or less the snowflake that we want. Now only others put them in the corners of the cross that is inside the painting and paste them as the others. Already finished, it should be seen more or less as shown on the screen. Now let's see how it is put. As they see, it is luxurious and quite large, even though we did it with only half of the sticks, but if they leave them large they can do it twice as much size and paste it at its doors or outside their homes. They can already leave it as it is wood or painting it as I did and adding some shiny to give it that effect of the snowflake, and it will also look very good. I painted it beige, but you already do it with the color you like best. Like this is to make other ornaments for their tree and that are very simple since they only have to do it with silicone. Just do it on a ceramic surface, or it can also be on baking paper, and with your silicone gun make the figure you like the most. In this case I am making a typical Christmas tree, so they first trace the shore and then fill it with this same so that it is as much as possible. It does not have to be perfect since that is charm. Since they finish it, now just put the thread to hang it, putting a drop of silicone at the tip of the ornament so that it is well stuck. Now take it carefully but strongly from the plate, and they could leave it as it is and hang it in our armo. But they can improve it by putting a little foamy that in this case has a brilliant and will give a much more special touch. As you can make the figures you want, as I in this case a snowman, following exactly the same steps. It will already depend on how intricate they want their ornament and how they want to finish it. But already hung on the tree that they look very good, and what I liked most is that as silicone is, the lights are transparent and look illuminated. This will give a unique touch to your Christmas tree, and best of all, it is completely personalized. Do you want the dishes of your table to look very elegant and adorned for this Christmas dinner? Just take your napkin that is square, or in this case fabric, which as I mentioned them left over the cushions we made, and bend it in half and then again by half. Now on the edges that are loose, just bend them in the form of a triangle as seen on the screen. Leave a little separation in each of them as I do, and already done that only carefully velize their napkin. Now they just bend in the tips to form another narrower triangle, putting one on the other and come to turn. Stop the video at any time if they are lost a bit. Now they just accommodate the fabric as follows. Fold it above so that it is like the tip of our tree and are doing the same with the others. Only these are getting under the fabric that is above these same, making sure they are well put as seen in the video. As seen, you can see the shape of the Christmas tree we were looking for. So now we are going to see how it is in our dishes. As you can see, they are very elegant, and if it gives a more elegant touch in just making some small folds to a napkin. So they will spend absolutely anything when doing them, and they will look very good with all their guests. As you can see, these were only 5 tips so that they can decorate their home a little more in an easy, fast and cheap way, since almost all with things we already have, so that they will not spend absolutely anything. That is always the main objective of the channel. I am sure that at least one of them will be very useful, and surely all their friends and family will love. As you know, if you like this video, give it a little man, subscribe, share with all your family and acquaintances. As always, see you in the next videos. Thank you.